TCP is excited to introduce our new Elite series of LED product solutions. Today we're going to discuss our PAR lamp series. The first thing you'll notice, there's a full face optic that provides the exact same beam patterns and intensity that our previous product line did. When they're lit or unlit, they look just like a halogen lamp. In addition, we have incorporated a smooth heatsink. This maintains the reliable operating temperatures of the lamps. The Elite series is not defined by the smooth look. The real advantages are in the performance of these lamps. TCP is achieving up to 20% more efficiency in our PAR lamps. You may recall we have a 17 watt 1050 lumen PAR 38, which is equivalent to a 90 watt halogen PAR 38. In the Elite series, it'll now be a 14 watt PAR 38, delivering the same lumen performance. And this goes across the board in our Elite PAR series. Here's a table that summarizes our 2013 PAR product line. When you look at the left-hand side of the chart, that shows what our previous wattages were in our LED lamps as early as 2012. If you look at the equivalencies, our 120 watt PAR 38 delivering 1200 lumens is now a 17 watt PAR 38. Our 90 watt PAR 38 and PAR 30 long neck options deliver 1000 lumens and they're 14 watts. So these are showing the trend. You're seeing a 20% reduction in power. Our 75 watt equivalent PAR 30 long neck and PAR 30 short neck delivering 850 lumens is now a 12 watt, and our 60 watt PAR 30 short neck and PAR 20 delivering 650 lumens is a 10 watt. And then finally we have our 50 watt equivalent PAR 20 at 500 lumens that delivers 8 watts. So on average, we're delivering almost 20% more efficacy for our PAR portfolio going into 2013. TCP is offering two series in their Elite PAR series. The first is a Designer series and the second is a Value series. Our Designer series has an exceptional light output due to COB or chip-on-board LED technology coupled with a single optic. This gives designer-grade light output, excellent intensity or center beam candle power, with a very uniform beam pattern. The Elite Designer series will be available in both a high-performance dimming version and a non-dimming version, in addition to all of the variety that you're used to through our US assembly process. It'll have all the color temperatures from 2400K to 5000K. It'll have high CRI options available. And it'll have all of the optics, 15 degrees for our spot, 25 for our narrow flood, and 40 for our flood. The Elite PAR series utilizes discrete LED technology coupled with our full face optic. They're available in non-dimming version only, and 2700K and 3000K, and then the narrow flood and the flood. These are not part of our MTO process or US assembly. This Elite PAR series contains TCP's best technology, and it's priced to gain market share. But what makes a TCP Elite PAR lamp unique? There are four key components critical to LED lamp performance, and those are the LED chip, the LED driver, the LED optic, and the LED thermals. Let's first take a look at the LED chip. The LED chip is the heart of the LED lamp. Selection and qualification is critical for best performance. TCP analyzes all the chips in the industry, and we pick which chip works best for each lamp. With regards to the LED driver, this is TCP's core competency. We design and build our own LED drivers. They're the most efficient and best dimming drivers in the market. The third component is the LED optic. TCP designs and produces their own optics. They create unmatched beam pattern and uniformity when coupled with our world-class LEDs. The final component is the LED thermal system. TCP designs and produces their own heat sinks and then analyzes and evaluates them to ensure that the LEDs are operating within their temperature limits. So in summary, TCP optimizes these components to create best-in-class LED products. We are the system integrator and are vertically integrated in the design, manufacturing, and qualification of these LED products. Our approach has been confirmed by the following industry recognition. First, we have achieved Top 10 USA's #1 ranking for our PAR 38 and PAR 30 for 2 years in a row. Let's go over some of the applications where you would use a TCP Elite Series PAR lamp. Track lights are the primary application for PAR lamps. Varied beam angles allowed for changing both the intensity and spot size of the beam. In addition, track lights are adjustable, adding to the customization available for a power lamp in highlighting objects. Downlights are another good application for power lamps, especially where downlights need to provide a higher intensity than a standard floodlight. High ceilings are great applications for these power lamps, as proper foot level can be achieved due to the higher intensity that can be obtained with a power lamp. Those are good applications for using a power lamp in a downlight fixture. In conclusion, TCP Elite power lamps are a culmination of TCP's 20 years of technical expertise in energy efficient lighting, with the most comprehensive variety delivering the best performance.